I'm going to talk about occurring patterns. So this is a winter storm warning, even though it doesn't show up. This look at it again. It won't show up sometimes. So this is some winter storm. I'm going to talk about Toronto because that's the closest thing. So this actual winter storm warning. Let's say it again. Oh, it's gone. So let's talk about the precipitation pattern. You will find out if it's a winter storm or not by looking at 8 a.m. and 8 p.m. So or 24 hours, whatever. So let's go to 1 p.m. So Wyatt, Point Elgin, Hanover, Collingwood, Niagara, and parts of Niagara on the lake. It's going to get some 0.25 millimeters of snowfall falling from the sky currently. So not currently, but 1 p.m. So let's go to 4 p.m. So Lionshead, Obey, Whitetown, Point Elgin, Hanover, Collingwood, parts of Niagara on the lake. Those cities are gonna get some 0.25 millimeters of snowfall. Let's go to next hour, which is 7 p.m. So, like I said, Obey, Whitetown, Port Elgin, Hanover, Collingwood, it's going to get some 0.25 millimeters of snowfall. Let's go to next hour, which is 10 p.m. There is no snowfall. I did visit Scarborough, there was snow. So, like I said, Obey, Whitetown, Port Elgin, Hanover, Thunder Beach, it's going to get some 0.25 millimeters of snowfall. So the current temperature is extreme cold actually, so it's gonna be minus 23, minus 24. So in Scarborough actually. So London, Niagara, Niagara Falls, City, Hamilton, Oakville, Mississauga, Brampton, Orangeville, down Toronto, Richmond Hill, Newmarket, Scarborough, Suffolk, Oshawa, Uxbridge, Beverly Isles. The Wazits are gonna get some 0.25 millimeters of snowfall. If it's in London, ignore it. So because that's in wrong place. If it's in wrong place actually. So if it's not, then don't ignore it. So depending on Google Maps. So Hamilton, I'm gonna start again. So Hamilton, Oakville, Niagara on the Lake, Niagara Falls City, Oakville again, Mississauga, Brampton, Orangeville, Down Toronto, Richmond Hill, Newmarket, Scarborough, Suffolk, Oshawa, Uxbridge, Cobourg, Boston, Peterborough, Barrie, Beverly Hills, Georgia, Collingwood. Those cities are gonna get some 0.25 millimeters of snowfall. Let's go to next hour, which is 1 p.m. So Monday, Sunday. So Niagara on the Lake, parts of Niagara Falls City, Hamilton, Oakville, Mississauga, Brampton, Orangeville, Down Toronto, Richmond Hill, Newmarket, so Scarborough, parts of it, Cobourg, Peterborough, Belleville, Barrie, Georgia, Beverly Hills, Collingwood, Midland. Those cities are gonna get some 0.25 millimeters of snowfall. So parts of Niagara Falls cities, parts of Scarborough, parts of Suffolk, Oshawa, not doing Uxbridge. So those cities are gonna get some 0.25 millimeters of snowfall. Uxbridge is gonna get some 0.25 millimeters of snowfall. Let's go to next hour. Let's actually go to next hour. Not doing London anymore. So 4 p.m. So Hamilton, Burlington, Oakville, Mississauga, Brampton, Orangeville, Down Toronto, Richmond Hill, Newmarket, Scarborough, Suffolk, Oshawa, Uxbridge, Cobourg, Niagara-on-the-Lake, Niagara Falls City. Those cities are gonna get some 2.5 millimeters of snowfall. Let's go to bed. Let's go to Lionshead. Lionshead, Obey, Whitetown, Port Elgin, Hanover, Collingwood, Palm Beach, Sunny Beach, Southern Bay, Midland, Orlando, Beatty, Georgia, Beverly Hills, Peterborough, Belleville. Those cities are gonna get some 0.25 millimeters of snowfall. So let's go to next hour, which is 7 p.m. So, which is okay. So Niagara Falls City, Hamilton, Burlington, Oakville, Mississauga, Oshawa, Uxbridge, Cobourg, Peterborough, Belleville. Those cities are gonna get some 0.25 millimeters of snowfall. So Brampton, Down Toronto, Richmond Hill, Newmarket, Borderline. Parts of Scarborough, those cities are gonna get some 6.25 millimeters of snowfall. So in snowfall is gonna get some 2.5 millimeters of snowfall. Beverly Hills, Georgia is gonna get some 2.5 millimeters of snowfall. So Lions Head, Obey, Whitetown, Port Elgin, Hanover, Collingwood, Bombay, Sunny Beach, Salaby, Midland, or Berry is going to get some 0.25 millimeters of snowfall. Georgia is gonna get some 2.4 centimeters of snowfall. Let's go to next hour, which is 10 p.m. January 25th. So today's 23rd, so 24th. So Oshawa, Uxbridge, Coburg, Peterborough, Belleville, Barrie, Beverly Hills, Georgia, Odella, Palm Beach, Collingwood, Hamilton, parts of local, those cities, Newmarket, Orangeville, Soulful, those cities are going to get some 2.5 millimeters of snowfall. So Mississauga, Brampton, Down Toronto, Richmond Hill, Scarborough, Markham, whatever. So it's going to get some. Niagara Falls City is going to get some 6.25 millimeters of snowfall. Let's go to next tower. Part of local is 6.25 also. So let's go to Midland. Midland is going to get some 2.5 millimeters of snowfall. So Lion said, Obey, Whitetown, Boyles, in Hanover. Thunder Beach, Sotheby is going to get some 0.25 millimeters of snowfall. Let's go to next hour, which is 7 a.m. So Niagara, Lake Niagara Falls, City, Hamilton, Oakville, Mississauga, Brampton, Orangeville, Down Toronto, Richmond Hill, Newmarket, Scarborough, Stouffville, Oshawa, Uxbridge, Coburg, Peterborough, Langside, Obi, Whiteham, Boyerdalton, Hanover, Collingwood, Bombay, Sunny Beach, South Bay, Midland, Olala, Beatty, Georgia, Beverly Hills. Those cities are gonna get some 0.25 millimeters of snowfall. Let's go to next up. Oh, Belleville's gonna get some 2.5 millimeters of snowfall. Let's go to next hour. Let's actually go to next hour, which is 10 a.m. actually. So both are sudden too. Line said Obi, Whitetown, Port Elgin, Hanover, Collingwood, Bombay, Sunny Beach, Salaby, Midland, Olala, Beatty, Georgia, Beverly Hills, London, Niagara, Niagara Falls City, Hamilton, Oakville, Mississauga, Brampton, Orangeville, Toronto, Richmond Hill, Newmarket, Scarborough, Stouffville, Oshawa, Uxbridge, Coburg, Peterborough, Belleville. Those cities are gonna get some 0.25 millimeters of snowfall. Let's go to next hour, which is 1 p.m. So, nothing. So, Collingwood, Bombay, Sunny Beach, Salaby, Midland, Aurora, Beatty, Georgia, Beverly, Scarborough, Stouffville, Toronto, Richmond Hill. Possibly not gonna do it. So, Oshawa, Uxbridge, Coburg, Peterborough, Belleville, Niagara, Lake Niagara Falls City. Those cities are gonna get some 0.25 millimeters of snowfall, including Hamilton. So let's go to next hour, which is January. No, it's still same day. So we're not doing Hanoi. Hanoi is possible, but it's not doing actually. So let's do it at 4 p.m. So Collingwood, Oshawa, Uxbridge, Coburg, Peterborough, Belleville, Niagara, Lake Niagara Falls City. For Elgin, Hanover, those cities are gonna get some 0.25 millimeters of snow falling, whatever. So let's go to next tower. Let's actually go to next tower, which is 7 p.m. So Palm Beach, Beatty, Georgia, Beverly Hills, Ooks, not doing that. So the Pearls in Hanover, those cities are gonna get some Niagara on the Lake, parts of Niagara Falls City, parts of Niagara on the Lake, parts of Niagara Falls City. It's going to get some Brampton, which is going to get some 0.25 millimeters of snowfall, including orange rolls. So let's actually go to next hour, so which is 10 p.m. So here it is. Midland, Rolla, Berry, Georgia, Wyatton, Port Elgin, Hanover, parts of Niagara on the Lake, Orange. Not doing that. So those cities are gonna get some 0.25 millimeters of snowfall. Let's go to next hour, which is 7 a.m. So Lancet, Obey, Whiteham, Elgin, Hanover, Palm Beach, Thunder Beach, South Bay, Midland, Olala, Berry, Georgia, Bablesos, Uxbridge, possibly, but not doing that. So those cities are gonna get some 0.25 millimeters of snowfall. Let's go to next hour, which is 4, no, doing 10 a.m. So Lancet, Obey, Whiteham, Elgin, Hanover, Palm Beach, Thunder Beach, South Bay, Midland, Olala, Berry, Georgia, Bablesos, parts of Scarborough, not doing so far yet. So Oshawa, Uxbridge, Coburg, Peterborough, Belvoir, London. Those cities are gonna get some 0.25 millimeters of snowfall. Let's go to next hour, 1 p.m. So, lines head Hobie, Whiteham, Elgin, Hanover, Palm Beach, Thunder Beach, South Bay, Berry, Georgia, Beverly Hills, Oshawa, Uxbridge, not Ux, yeah, I guess it's Uxbridge, Coburg, Peterborough, Belvoir. Those cities are gonna get some 0.25 millimeters of snowfall. Let's go to next hour. Okay, let's actually go to next hour. So, which is 4 p.m. 4 p.m. So, line said Obi, Whiteham, Boyolton, Hanover, Niagara, Lake Niagara Falls City, Palm Beach, Thunder Beach, South Bay is going to get some 0.25 millimeters of snowfall in London, by the way. So, Coburg, Belleville is going to get some 0.25 millimeters of snowfall. Let's go to next hour, which is 7 p.m. So line said obey Whiteham, Port Elgin, Hanover, Palm Beach, Thunder Beach, South Bay, Midland, London, Niagara Falls City. Those cities are gonna get some 0.25 millimeters of snowfall. Let's go to next hour. Let's actually go to next hour, which is 10 p.m. Palm Beach, Collingwood, Thunder Beach, South Bay, Midland, Berry, parts of Niagara Falls, on the lake parts of Niagara Falls City, Boyolton, whatever. So Hanover's, those seats are gonna get some 0.25 millimeters of snowfall. Let's go to next hour. So let's actually go to next hour. It is 7 a.m. Port Elgin, Hanover is gonna get some 0.25 millimeters of snowfall. Let's go to next hour, which is 10 a.m. Wartime Boyolton, Hanover is gonna get some 0.25 millimeters of snowfall. Let's go to next hour, which is 1 p.m. So, quiet tempo in Hanover is gonna get some 0.25 millimeters of snowfall. Let's go to 4 p.m. So, lines, no, Hopes Bay, in Hanover, Wyton, Palm Beach, Thunder Beach, South Bay, Midland's gonna get some 0.25 millimeters of snowfall. Line said actually is possible. So, let's go to next hour, second final hour, which is 1/14 hours. So, line said, Obey, Whiteham, in Hanover, Palm Beach, Thunder Beach, South Bay, Midland, Olala is gonna get some 0.25 millimeters of snowfall. Let's go to actual 10 p.m. So let's go actual. So Hope's Way, Whiteham, in Hanover, Palm Beach, Thunder Beach, South Bay, Midland, Olala is going to get some 0.25 millimeters of snowfall. Let's go to total snowfall rainfall. So, oh, we didn't do pressure patterns. So then we do precipitation, total precipitation. So it's gonna be very fast actually. So let's zoom out to Southern Ontario. There's some 1000 and something. There's gonna be 1036 millibars of pressure, 1040 millibars of pressure. That's 7 p.m. So let's go to 7 p.m. So 1012, 1016, 1020, 1024 millibars of pressure. Let's go to 7 p.m. This 1020, 1024, 1016, 1012 millibars of pressure. Let's go to 7 p.m. 1020, 1000 and something. So 1016 and one, that's it. So those are the pressure. So let's go to 7 p.m. So 1020, 1020 millibars the pressure. There should be another pressure beyond Southern Ontario. So there is no pressure. This pause at the beginning. So not pause at the beginning, but let's go to total precipitation 24 hours. So let's review seconds is okay. So London 9 millimeters, Hamilton 8 millimeters, 9 millimeters Niagara on the Lake Niagara Falls cities is Niagara, 10 millimeters Oakville 9 millimeters, 10 millimeters Brampton, Mississauga 10 millimeters, down to 11 millimeters, Temple Faces, Scarborough, Stouffville 10 millimeters, Switching Hills 7.5, Newmarket Orangeville 8 millimeters, Uxbridge 6 millimeters, Oshawa 8 millimeters, Peterborough 5 millimeters, 7 millimeters in Coburg, Melville is 6 millimeters, Collingwood is 4 millimeters, Barrie is gonna be 3 millimeters, no 4 millimeters, Georgina 4 millimeters, 5 millimeters, about Beverly Ices or the last 3 millimeters. So again, sorry, don't need to do it. So Oakville, the whole city is 9 millimeters. So Whitetown is 2 millimeters. Port Elgin, Hanover is going to be 2 millimeters. Lionshead, Old Bay is going to be 2 millimeters. Palm Beach, Thunder Beach, Solid Bay, Midland's going to be 2 millimeters. One of them is 3 millimeters. So it doesn't count actually. So let's go to next hour where we did orange holes. So those are the actual cities I need to do. So let's go to next hour. Unless this city missing. So which is 24 hours from now. Not 24 from now, but. So London 4 millimeters, Whitehall 3 millimeters, Collingwood 4 millimeters, Brampton 6 millimeters, 7 millimeters, and Mississauga 8. Down to 7 millimeters, Stouffville 5 millimeters, 6 millimeters, Scarborough slash Richmond Hills. So Newmarket Orange is 5 millimeters, Uxbridge 6 millimeters, 5 millimeters, and Oshawa. Peterborough is 7 millimeters, Coburg 7 millimeters, Belleville 9 millimeters, Niagara on the Lake 7 millimeters, 8 millimeters, Niagara Falls City. Hamilton is 7 millimeters, Oakville is going to be 7 millimeters, lightest. Heavy is going to be 8 millimeters. So Port Elgin, Hanover is going to be 3 millimeters, Hobbs Bay, Line says is going to be 3 millimeters. Palm Beach, Solid Bay, Midland is going to be 4 millimeters. Thunder Beach, 4 millimeters. Perry, 5 millimeters. Orlilla, 5 millimeters. Beverly Hills, 5 millimeters. Georgina, 5 millimeters. So let's go to next hour. Let's actually go to next hour, which is late January 27th, 8 p.m., 7 p.m. So London 1 millimeters, Whitehall 3 millimeters, Port Elgin is gonna be 4 millimeters, Hanover is gonna be 3 millimeters. Collingwood is going to be whatever, so doing it later. So 4 millimeters lights at all base. So Palm Beach, Thunder Beach is going to be 1 millimeters of rainfall. Solid Bay is 2 millimeters. Midland is going to be 1 millimeters. Olala 1 millimeters. Perry is going to be 0.9 millimeters. 0.8 is Georgina, but 0.7 is in Beverly Hills. So Scarborough, Stouffville is going to be 0.7 or 0.6. So down Toronto, Richmond Hill, Newmarket is going to be 0. No, downtown Toronto is actually 0.3, 0.4 actually. So Richmond Hill is actually going to be 0.37 millimeters, and Newmarket is going to be 0.5 millimeters. Oshawa, Uxbridge is going to be different. So it's going to be 0.8 millimeters of rainfall in Oshawa. And 0.8 is actually Uxbridge. Coburg is 3 millimeters, 2 millimeters available. So Peterborough is 0.7, that might mean average. But actually, it's going to be 0.8 Niagara Falls City is 1 millimeters. Niagara on the Lake is 1 millimeters. So we did lots of cities. So Hamilton is going to be 0.5 millimeters. Oakville is going to be 0.3 millimeters of rainfall. So not doing Mississauga, Brampton, only so let's go to next hour, let's actually go to next hour, which is 114 hours. 1 millimeters of Whiteham. Port Elgin, 1 millimeters. Hanover is going to be 1 millimeters. Hobsbury is going to be a little bit off. So it's going to be 0.8. So Line said is 0.7. Palm Beach, Thunder Beach is going to be 1 millimeters of rainfall. Southern Bay is going to be 0.9 millimeters. Midland is going to be 0.8 millimeters. Valley is going to be 0.7 millimeters. Georgia is going to be 0.6 millimeters. 0.52 is in Beverly Hills, so that's 0.3. So Adela is going to be 0.5 millimeters of rainfall. So Niagara on the Lake, the heaviest 0.7, lightest 0.2, which is parts of it. From Niagara Falls City, parts of it, it's going to get some 0.2 to 0.3 millimeters of rainfall. That's whole parts of Niagara Falls City. So Collingwood is done. So, Collingwood is going to get some 0.7 millimeters of rainfall. So, let's actually go to next hour. Oh, there is no next hour. So, let's look at total snowfall 24 hours. Starting for, not doing 8 a.m., so 8 p.m. So, let's start from Scarborough because the most, actually do that later. So, White has 2 centimeters. 3.6 in Collingwood. Port Elgin is going to be 1.9 centimeters, 2 centimeters in Hanover. Holmes Bay is going to be 1.9. Lions Head could be 1.9 actually. Southern Bay is 2.2. Midland is going to be 2.4 centimeters. Bomb Beach is 2.4 centimeters. Thunder Beach is going to be 2.2 centimeters of snowfall. Lilla is going to be 2.6 centimeters. Bombay Berry is going to be 3.6 centimeters, 3.8 centimeters in Georgia. Beverly Hills is going to be 4.8 centimeters of snowfall. Let's go to next tower. Oh, not next tower, next city. So, London, whatever. So, Hamilton, Oakville is going to be 8 centimeters. Oakville, Mississauga, which is heaviest, it's different. So, Oakville's the Mississauga is different. So, Oakville is going to get some close to like 9 centimeters, no, 9 centimeters. It should be the third light is blue. Close to the fourth light is blue. So, it's going to be with some point 8 to 9 centimeters of snowfall. That's in Oakville. At 9 centimeters in Mississauga. Brampton's 9.7 centimeters. Dow Jones 10.6, TOEFL's 10.0, Ashworth's 8.4, Uxbridge 6.4, Orange County Market 7.5, Peterborough 5.1, Coburg is going to be 7.1, Belleville's 6.1, Niagara on the Lake 8.9, Niagara Falls City is 9.7, so we did like Cinco. So let's do final cities with Scarborough. Scarborough is going to be 10.35 centimeters of snowfall, so let's go to next tower. Okay, let's actually go to next tower, which is 8 a.m. to 8 p.m. So 3.1 is in Barton, 4.5 is in Collingwood. Port Elgin is going to be 2.9 centimeters. Hanover is going to be 3 centimeters of snowfall. So Hobbs Bay is going to be 3.1 centimeters. Lions Head is going to be 2.6 centimeters. So Solid Bay is 4 centimeters. Midland is going to be 4.4 centimeters. 4.3 is going to be, no, that's going to be 4.1 centimeters. Then Palm Beach, Thunder Beach is going to be 3.4 centimeters. So snowfall, let's go to the Solid Bay. It's going to be 3.6 centimeters. So Betty is going to be to 4.8 centimeters of snowfall. Georgia is going to be whatever, 5 centimeters, that's rounded. So it's actually going to be 5.1 centimeters, but yeah, it says 5.1 centimeters. Orla is going to be 4.8 centimeters. Niagara on the Lake, 7.4 centimeters, 7.7 is in Niagara Falls City. So Hamilton is 7.1 centimeters. Oakville is going to be, Oakville is actually 7.5 centimeters. Mississauga is going to be 7.5 centimeters. So Brampton 5.8 centimeters, Downtown under 7.1, Scarborough 6.1, Stouffville 5.1, Newmarket Orangeville 5.1, Uxbridge 5.7, Arthur's 5.3, Peterborough 4.7.4, Coburg 6.8, Balboa 8.9. So let's go to next hour, which is it's possible. So let's go to Richmond Hill. Richmond Hill is actually 6.1 centimeters. So let's go to next hour. Oh, it's maybe quiet for 10 seconds. So let's go to 10 p.m. Bartend's 5.3.0. So Collingwood, no, Port Elgin's going to be 3.2 centimeters. Hope's Bay line said is going to be the third lightest gray. Actually, fourth lightest gray. The cities are going to be 4 centimeters of snowfall, so 3.9. So Collingwood 0.9 centimeters. Palm Beach centimeters is going to be 1.4, no, 1.3 centimeters of snowfall. Dollar Bay Midland is going to be 1.7 centimeters of snowfall. So Orla is going to be 0.9 centimeters. Barry is going to be 0.9 centimeters. Georgina is going to be 0.9 centimeters. Beverly Isles is going to be 0.8 centimeters. So 1 centimeter difference. 0.1 centimeter want to make a difference unless this. Niagara on Lake 0.7, 1.1 is Niagara Falls City. Hamilton 0.4. Oakville 0.4. Oakville again 0.2 is the lightest. Brampton 0.2. Mississauga 0.2. Dot 0.4. Richmond Hill 0.5. Scarborough with my head 5. Stouffville 0.6. Newmarket Orangeville 0.6. Uxbridge 1.0. 0.7. Oshawa 0.6 is in Peterborough. Coburg 2.6. Melbourne 1.8. So Orange was wrong with 0.5. So it's gonna be half a centimeter. No, it's gonna be half a centimeters in Orangeville. So that's corrected. So let's check all the cities. This Hanover is actually 3 centimeters. So Hanover actually is going to be 3 centimeters. So it's going to be very close, 3 centimeters. So not very close. It's going to be third lightest grade. So it's going to be 3.7 centimeters in Hanover actually. So that's a mean average, but it's going to be so let's go. That's only one city. So let's go to next hour. Then I tell the rest. So 10 p.m. Not doing 10 p.m. because I already did the precipitation pattern. So Whiteton is 1.2. Collingwood is 0.6. No, I'm gonna say the mean average. So mean average so everywhere in Niagara Falls is 0.35 centimeters of snowfall. Let's go to Betty. So Betty's gonna get some 0.6 centimeters. Georgina is gonna be 0.4 centimeters. So Beverly Hills is 0.3 centimeters, actually 0.2, 0.3 is possible. Orla is going to be, Orla is actually going to be 0.7 centimeters, actually 0.6. Palm Beach is going to be 1 centimeter of snowfall. Turtle Beach 1 centimeter is 1.1. Solar Beach 0.8. Midland is going to be 0.7 centimeters of snowfall. Let's go to next hour. Line said OB is going to be 1 centimeter, 1.1. 1.1 is in Hope's Bay. Lion said is actually going to be 1.2 centimeters. For else is going to be 1.2 centimeters. Hanover is going to be, let's do it again. Hanover is actually going to be 1.2 centimeters. So far, let's go to next tower. There is no next tower. So Hanover is actually 1 centimeters, 1.1. So that's the accurate, most accurate actually. So let's go to next tower, which is let's look at air temperature patterns. So let's go to 3 p.m. Not 8, 7 a.m. or 8 a.m. It's way past. So London -15, Whitehall -12, Collingwood -12, Brampton -13, Mississauga -12, Downtown -12, Scarborough -13, Telford -14, Newmarket Orangeville -13, Uxbridge -14, Oslo -14, Peterborough -17, Coburg -13, Belvoir -20. Niagara Falls mean average everywhere is going to be -12.5. Hamilton -12. Oakville is going to be -12 degrees. Boyles is going to be minus 12. Hanover is going to be minus 12 degrees. Lineshead OB is going minus 12. Solid 14 degrees. Midland's going to be 14. Minus 15 is in Midlands. So Solid is going to be Midland. Bomb Beach is going to be. Bomb Beach is actually minus 14 degrees. So let's go to Betty. So Betty is going to be minus 15 degrees. So minus. So Jordania's actually is going to be minus 12 degrees. Beverly Hills is going to be minus 12 degrees. Actually, minus 13 degrees. That's Orla, Beverly Hills. So Orla is going to be minus 15 degrees. So let's do Richmond Hill. Richmond Hill is going to be minus 13 degrees. So let's go to next hour, which is next hour, 7 a.m. Why is minus 17? Minus 15 is gone. We're minus 1 Latin. Then have Brampton minus 11, Mississauga minus 10, 9. Down to Toronto is minus 9. Scarborough minus 11. Downtown Stouffville is going to be minus 13. Orangewood, Meal Market minus 13. Uxbridge minus 14. Nashua minus 14. Peterborough minus 19. Coburg minus 14. Belleville minus 18. Everywhere in Niagara Falls is going to be minus top of 5. Hamilton minus 10. Oakland minus 9. That's warmest. So, Lions Head, whatever. So, Solid Base minus 16. So let's do Lake Cinco first, so it's easier. Minus 14 is in Barry, so Jardinea is minus 14. Bablias is minus 15. Odella is going to be minus 19. So line said OB is going to be a little bit higher. So it's going to be minus 14. Actually, it's going to be minus 18 or something. Minus 16. Going to be minus 13 line said OB. So solid base is going to be Bomb Beach. It's going to be actually minus 16 degrees. Thunder Beach is going to be minus 15 degrees. Midland's going to be minus 18 degrees. Could be. So let's go to next hour. That's oh, not done yet. So Port Elgin, Hanover is going to be minus. No, Hanover is actually going to be minus 18 or minus 17 degrees. Port Elgin is going to be minus 15 degrees. So let's go to actual next hour, which is 3 p.m. Oh, wrong hours. So London, whatever, minus 11 in Whitetown, Collingwood, minus 13, Brampton, minus 12, Scarborough is going to be minus 10 degrees. No, it's going to be minus 9 degrees. Down Toronto, minus 7 degrees. Minus 9 is Richmond Hill, Brampton, minus 8, Mississauga, minus 8. Newmarket, Orchard, minus 13, so Uxbridge, minus 14, Oshawa, minus 12, Peterborough, minus 15, Coburg, minus 12, Belfast, minus 14, everywhere in Niagara Falls, minus 11, Hamilton, minus 8, Oakville, minus 8, so Oakville holding. Line said OB is going to be minus. Line said OB is going to be minus 10, somewhere else is minus 10, Hanover is going to be minus 11 degrees, so Palm Beach, Midland is going to be minus 11 degrees. So, no, it's going to be minus 13 degrees. Why? One of them is minus 12.5 is in Midland. So, 13 degrees in Palm Beach. Thunder Beach, Solid Beach is going to be minus 12 degrees. So, let's go to actual. No, not yet. So, let's go to the next actual hour because minus 13 is Palm Beach. So, which is 7 a.m. So, oh, we didn't do like sinkholes. So let's go back to 3 p.m. So Barry is going to be minus 13 degrees. Georgina minus 13 degrees. Well, that's a minus 14 something, right? Actually, it's minus 12. No, minus 13. Beverly Hills is going to be minus 14 degrees. Olala is going to be minus 13 degrees. So now we can go to the actually next hour, which is 7 a.m. We can do 8 a.m. also. So let's see it is. So London minus whatever, so minus 10, 13, Whitehall minus 14, Collingwood. Brampton minus 15, Mississauga minus 14, Downtown minus 14, Scarborough minus 14.5, Wisconsin -15, -15 snowfall. Newmarket, Orangeville -17. Uxbridge -17. Oshawa -15. Peterborough -16. Coburg -14. Belleville -15. Everywhere Niagara Falls -10. Hamilton -12. Oakville -12. Oakville again is going -11 degrees. Port Elgin -12. Hanover is going to be -13 degrees. Lancet, Obey is going to be -12 degrees. Lancet is -13 degrees and Hope's Bay line said. So Solid Bay is going -14 degrees. Solid Bay is actually -15. Dunn Beach is -14. Palm Beach is actually going to be -15 degrees. Midland is also -15 degrees. 60 degrees, -60 is actually going to be Midland. Olala is going to be minus something. -16 is in Olala, not Midland. Midland is -15. The Bay is going to be -16 degrees. So Georgina is going to be -13 degrees. So Beverly Hills is going to be that's 30 minus what 30 is possible. So Beverly Isles is going to be -15 degrees. So there's something we also missed. So there is no cities missing. This Georgia has messed up. So let's go to next hour, which is 30 p.m. So London -12, Whitehall -13, Collingwood -12, Brampton -7, Mississauga -7, Downtown -7. Scarborough -11.5, Stouffville -12, Orange County Market -12, Uxbridge -13, Oshawa -12, Peterborough -13, Coburg -11, Belleville -12, everywhere in Niagara Falls -10, Hamilton -10, Oakville -10, Port Elgin, Hanover is different. Port Elgin -12, Hanover is going to be -12.5. Hope's Bay is going to be -12 degrees because closest. Line says it's going to be -13 degrees closest. Solid Beach, Dunn Beach -11, so actually -12. Solid Beach. So Palm Beach is going to be -11, so -12 actually. So Midland is going to be -12 degrees, or also -12 degrees. So let's go to Betty. So Betty is going to be -12 degrees. Betty is actually -12 degrees. Georgina is going to be -12 degrees, 13 degrees, -12 degrees. Beverly Hills is going to be -12 degrees. -12 degrees. So let's go to next tower, which is Mississauga is -7. So let's go to next tower, which is actually -7.5. So let's go to next tower. Going to take a while actually. So let's go to 7 a.m. So why time -15? Collingwood -17. London, whatever. So Brampton -18. Mississauga -17. Down Toronto -16, Scarborough -17, Stouffville -18, Orange Newmarket -18, Uxbridge -19, Oshawa -16, Peterborough -17, Coburg -13, Belleville -16, so everywhere Niagara Falls -16.5, Hamilton -17, Oakville is going to be -17 degrees, Hobbs Bay is going to be -13 degrees, Line said it's going to be, my line said it's actually -11 degrees, so Port Elgin's going to be -15 degrees, so it's borderline -14. So Hanover is going to be -16 degrees, so -16 degrees. So Palm Beach. Let's do Solid Beach. Solid Beach actually is going to be -15 degrees. Same thing as Thunder Beach. So Palm Beach has to be minus something else. So -15 degrees. Midland is going to be -16 degrees. So could be because it's closer to 16. Olala is going to be split this line. So draw it. So it's going to be -18. No, -19 degrees. 18 degrees. No, the actual temperature is going to be -18. So Georgina is going to be -16 degrees. Beverly Hills is going to be -17 degrees. Olala is going to be Orella is going to be -16 degrees. So let's go to next hour. Let's actually go to next hour, which is 3 p.m. So White minus 7, Cottingham minus 13, Brampton minus 14, Mississauga minus 13, Downtown minus 13, Scarborough minus 14, Tofu minus 15, Newmarket Orangeville minus different. Minus 15 is the Newmarket. Orangeville is going to be minus 14 degrees. Uxbridge minus 16, Oshawa minus 15, Peterborough minus 16, Coburg minus 14, Balboa minus 13, everywhere in Niagara Falls minus 12.5. Hamilton minus 12, Oakville is going to be minus 12 degrees. Boylston minus 10, Hanover is going to be minus 11 degrees. Lionshead or Bay is going to be minus 9 degrees because closest. Thunder Beach is going to be minus 11 degrees, so minus 12. Thunder Bay is minus 12 degrees, so that's the closest. So Palm Beach is going to be minus 12 degrees. Midland is going to be minus 13 degrees, so minus 13 is the Midland. So Olala minus 14, Betty minus 14, Georginia minus 14, so Beverly Hills is going to be minus 15 degrees. So let's go to next hour. So that's very. So let's go to next hour, which is 7 a.m. So White minus 15, Cotton minus 16, London minus 19, Brampton minus 21, minus 18, down to Mississauga, down to Toronto is minus 18, Scarborough is going to be minus 20 degrees, 19.5. It's going to be minus 19.5 in Scarborough because it can go up and down, so it's going to be minus 20 degrees. Snowfall minus 21. Newmarket is going to be minus 21. Orangeville is going to be minus 19. Uxbridge minus 22. Ottawa minus 20. Coburg minus 23. Coburg minus 18. Peterborough minus 20. 30 minus 23. Belleville. Now, everywhere Niagara Falls is going to be minus 60.5 degrees. Hamilton minus 16. Oakville is going to be minus 16. Oakville again and Warm is minus 16. So a little bit points off, 0.1. So line side OB is going to be minus something else. So line side OB is going to be minus 15 degrees. Solid bit is going to be minus 14 degrees. So Thunder Beach actually is going to be minus 13 degrees. Thunder Beach minus 13 degrees. The solid beat is actually minus 13 degrees. So there's the Port Elgin. Port Elgin is going to be minus 13 degrees. Hanover is going to be minus 13 degrees. No, it's going to be minus 14 degrees because in the middle. So let's do Palm Beach. Palm Beach is actually going to be minus 13 degrees. So Midland's going to be minus something. So it's going to be minus 21 degrees. No, it's going to be minus 60, minus 30, minus 80. So it's going to be minus 19 degrees in Midlands. So Alala is going to be minus 23 degrees. Georginia is going to be minus 13 degrees. So Beverly Hills is going to be minus 16 or 17, minus 16, 17, 18, minus 18. Bay is going to be minus 15 degrees. So let's go to next hour, which is 4 p.m. So Whiteham is 12, Cottingham minus 13, Brampton is over minus 14, Mississauga is minus 12, Downtown Toronto minus 12, minus 13 is in Scarborough, so Hamilton minus 13, Oakville is going to be minus 12 degrees. Everywhere Niagara Falls minus 13 degrees. Newmarket Orangeville minus 14. Uxbridge minus 14. Oshawa is minus 13. Peterborough is going to be minus 13. Coburg minus 11. Belleville minus 14. London, whatever. The Port Elgin is going to be minus 12. Hanover is going to be minus 11. So Saxon is going to be minus 13 degrees. Solid Bay, Dun the beach is going to be minus 11 degrees. Palm Beach, Midland is going to be minus 11 degrees. Honolulu is going to be minus 11 degrees. So Georginia minus 7 degrees. Beverly Hills is going to be minus 14 degrees. It's 14. So Barrie is going to be minus. Barrie is going to be minus 11 degrees. So Barrie is actually going to be minus 13 degrees. So it's actually minus 12 degrees varies. So this is the end of the video. Or which video is going to be minus 30 degrees. So this is line set obey. It's going to be line set obey is actually minus 12 degrees. So this is the end of the video.